Hi everyone. I'm going to show you how to access some of the learning resources for Securely. Browse to learn.securely.com and this is the home screen that should pop up for it. If you scroll down just a tad, you'll see there is role-based pathways, and if you go across here, pick teachers and staff, and what that will do is guide you into the specific area. So you're going to choose classroom. And then the first time you're in here, it's going to ask you to sign up. So what you're going to do is sign up with Google. If you want, you can uncheck that. So it's not a public profile. So you're going to sign up with Google here. It's going to give you a pop-up and ask you to authorize. So select your globalccs.org email to do that and hit continue to accept it. And it will get you in. And then from here, there are a bunch of resources that you can use. So they have Securely, these are all little video snippets, logging in, managing with links, blocking, class options. Okay. Just to give you a note, we are set up to go or to link stuff through Google Classroom for this. So just like when we were using GoGuardian, have Google Classroom set up for yourself with all the kids rostered into it, and then link into it. I will also be providing some more specific information, and that will be located on our Teacher Tech Tools website. I will put a bunch of resources in there specific about linking your classes, your Google Classroom to Securely. Thank you so much.